Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can understand that which chart we should include that best fits our data. Okay, so let's start. So chart including in Excel totally based on your data and how you want to see that. Okay, for example, here we can see different products and different months revenue. Okay, if I only select product and only 1 month's data and I select the up to this data, I'm not including total, then in this point I don't have any idea that which chart I should include. Okay, I'm totally newbie, so how we can do that? I'll go insert and I know that this is the place where I can get all the charts. Okay, here I'll go recommended charts and all the charts. Okay, here all the charts given by Excel is available, are available. Okay, and in every category there are so many subcategories. Okay, and you can see, if you select this category you can see the preview of both of them. If you select this category you can see these previews. Okay, you can see multiple previews. So if I select this, okay, and click OK, here I can see different product is there and its respective revenue is there. So this data is, it's presenting my data well, so I can select this. Okay, I'm removing this again. Then this data is already selected. If I insert here, if I select from here, uh, I can include this pie chart also. Okay, these are products and these will be the respective values. If I add data labels, we'll see the respective values. Okay, if I select every month's data and then insert and select pie, you can see after adding the data labels it is only showing this data. Okay, but not this data. I want to see every month's data. Okay, so here for multiple, if any data has only one numerical column, then pie chart is good. But if you include multiple numerical columns, then pie chart is not working. So here I will not use pie chart. Here I'll go insert from recommended. Excel will give you some recommended charts. This is another way. Excel is also helping you. So if you can go and you can select, you can do trial and error, and you can find which one chart best fits your data, and you can learn yourself, and that will be the most effective way to learn the charts in Excel. Okay, or you can go to recommended charts. Based on your data, Excel is already recommending you some charts. Okay, so from here you can select any data, and when you select you can see the preview of your data. Okay, so if you think this one is proper, just click OK. If you see this one is proper, click OK. If you see this one is proper, click OK. Okay, then you will get your chart, and then you can uh, modify your chart accordingly. Okay, so this is how select the data, go to insert, you can select any data from the recommended charts, or you can do, you can check every option, do trial and error and learn yourself. Okay, so happy learning. That's all for today, and thank you very much.